In this video, I'm going to show you how you can try Kling motion control for free. So let's get started. First, we have RoboNeo.com. They give 70 free credits when you create a free account, and you can also earn more credits by inviting your friends. For each friend you invite, you get 50 extra credits. Now, click on New Project and select Workflow. After that, click on the plus icon. Scroll down and choose Motion Control. Then, click here to upload your image. And next, click on the video box to upload your video. Now, select Kling 2.6. It uses 60 credits, and we already have 70 credits available. After that, write this prompt, apply the motion from the reference video to this image, and click on Generate, and you'll get this amazing result. This website is amazing, and I'll reveal its name at the end. After signing in, you get 3000 free credits. Now, click on Boards, then click on New Project. After that, click on the plus icon and upload your video here. Next, right-click on your video, select Modify Video, and choose Kling 2.6. Upload your reference image here. Then, set the framing to match your video orientation. If your video has sound, turn on this toggle. Now, write your prompt, apply the motion from the reference video to this image. Select the highest resolution and click on Create. Your video will be ready in a few minutes. Finally, right-click on the video and click on Download to save it. Even after creating a 10 SEC video, we still have around 2700 credits remaining, which is honestly crazy. Luma Labs. So that's 2 completely free ways to use Kling motion control today. Try them before the free credits run out and drop your results in the comments. I'd love to see what you create.